Connect power and air. Turn on power switch. Turn on printing touchscreen. Install banding tape. The step of install tape. Press button feeding tape. The correct install tape shown in the figure. Click Manual Mode to Auto Mode. Click Reset and Pre-sending tape. Take tape finish. Pre-sending tape. Unlock the inkjet touchscreen. Click New File. Insert text info. Insert date time. Insert logo. Send printing. Start work. Stop work. Try printing. The print info not at center. Adjust print position. Adjust print info at required position and send printing. If meet no ink. Take out ink cartridge. Clean print head. Install back ink cartridge. Now can printing.